Public speaking nightmares? Conquer your stage fright here. Your palms are slick with sweat, your heart feels like a hummingbird trapped in your chest, and your mind goes blank. This isn't a scene from a horror movie, it's the dreaded reality of public speaking for many people. Public speaking anxiety, also known as glossophobia, is incredibly common. In fact, surveys suggest it affects more people than fear of heights or even spiders. But fear not, fellow jittery presenter. Here's the good news, public speaking anxiety can be overcome. Let's delve into the root causes of this anxiety and explore practical strategies to transform you from a trembling wreck to a confident communicator. Understanding the enemy. Why do we fear public speaking? Our fear of public speaking stems from a primal instinct. Back in the days of cave dwelling, being ostracized from the group meant potential danger. Public speaking triggers this primal fear of being judged or rejected by the audience. Additionally, the spotlight effect plays a role. We often overestimate how much attention our minor stumbles receive. In reality, most audience members are focused on the message, not our every nervous tick. Taming the beast. Practical strategies for crushing stage fright. Okay, we understand the why behind the fear. But how do we silence the inner critic and conquer stage fright? Here are some battle-tested strategies to equip you for public speaking success. Befriend preparation. Knowledge is power, and preparation is your shield against anxiety. Know your material inside and out. Practice your delivery, anticipate potential questions, and rehearse in front of a trusted friend or family member. Reframe your focus. Instead of dwelling on the fear of being judged, shift your focus to the message you want to convey. Think about the value you're offering your audience and the positive impact you can make. Embrace the power of relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and visualization can significantly reduce anxiety symptoms. Practice these techniques before your presentation to calm your nerves. Start small and build confidence. Don't jump straight into giving a keynote speech at a conference. Start by volunteering for short presentations in smaller groups. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the scale of your presentations. Humor is a weapon. A well-placed joke can lighten the mood, diffuse tension, and endear you to your audience. However, use humor cautiously. Avoid self-deprecating jokes that might reinforce negative self-talk. Focus on your audience, not yourself. Make eye contact with audience members, smile genuinely, and project your voice with confidence. When you connect with your audience, the focus shifts away from your own anxieties. Embrace imperfection. Nobody is perfect, and expecting a flawless presentation only fuels anxiety. Remember, a few stumbles won't derail your message. The key is to acknowledge them with grace and move on. Bonus tip. The power of positive self-talk. The voice in your head can be your greatest ally or worst enemy. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. I am prepared, I have something valuable to share, or, I can do this. Positive self-talk can significantly boost your confidence. Remember, overcoming public speaking anxiety is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and keep practicing. With these strategies and a positive mindset, you can transform public speaking from a dreaded nightmare into an empowering experience. So, did these tips spark a flicker of confidence within you? If you found these strategies helpful and want to delve deeper into conquering public speaking anxiety, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing more content on crafting engaging presentations, managing stage fright, and mastering the art of connecting with your audience. Remember, public speaking is a skill that can be learned and honed. So, take a deep breath, step onto that stage, and share your voice with the world. You've got this.